This review discusses the potential of using porous carbon, PC, materials derived from biomass sources for electromagnetic wave absorption, highlighting their unique features and advantages such as low density, large surface area, and excellent dielectric lossability. The article also explores the challenges in large-scale production of PC materials through low-cost and simple synthetic routes, and suggests that bio-inspired microstructures can be used to manufacture PC materials in mild conditions. The review summarizes the EM wave absorption application of biomass-derived PC materials, discusses their corresponding synthetic mechanisms and development prospects, and provides a perspective on the field.
This article was authored by Huanqin Zhao, Cheng, Wei Lu, and others.